whole reef under my
She's
foot.
stealing coral.
I was smuggling a whole ecosystem.
Good God, she's taking the entire beach with her.
Yeah. If I can't take pictures of it, I'm taking it with.
The hotel only has instant coffee, so we've been drinking a lot of tea with a ton of sugar. Just like that that place on the drive over when we got the fried rice. Pretty good. Damn. I am just falling apart now. All the bumps are on the inside of my legs and they're like blistering up. I'm not sure what's going on. It doesn't hurt. It just feels weird. I'm not gonna mess with those. I'm just gonna hope they heal. Still snake fruit from Jenny's. Partially bad, but whatever. I'll just eat the bottom of them. So cool. Yeah. Peel like snake skin. Hence the name snake fruit. I don't know why this one's not peeling real well. Come on. There we go. So for today, we have a approximately 3-hour drive to the east side of the island, where we'll spend the rest of our trip. I'm really hoping to see some volcanoes. I think we're gonna stop and see the gates of heaven, and then hopefully do some more snorkeling. Because that was awesome. Nobody wanted to admit it, but we were getting kind of bummed out about this place. No. We're gonna go drop off postcards first before we leave town, and then hit the road. I think it's probably about time to wake up Jenny and Roy. Can you say you went to Bali if you don't come home with full body rashes?
Hey,
What's a little jellyfish?
she's all about that snork life. She is an official snorkeler.
A snorkeler, so now it's just snork.
Snorks for life.
Just throw it away like snork.
Snorks for life.
Oh, what are you doing today? Oh, I'm gonna go do some snorking.
Wait, no, like that's the signal.
Oh, for some reason I was thinking that the post office.
Yeah, I think we thought the post office was closer. That's okay. I don't think it's very much farther. Roy has no idea where we're going. It's like 8 million miles away. Hi!
We're here.
Woo! Found it! Thank God.
It would have been funny to send Eva on this excursion by herself.
Oh, I would have been pissed.
And
Oh yeah.
we're
Oh,
just back
she's
at the
like,
hotel
yeah.
waiting.
When you said you were gonna go by yourself, like, oh, just go run real quick. And I was like,
well, he made it
Pretty
sound
far.
like it was like a 5-minute walk.
no,
Good luck, postcards. The aftermath of the post office hike. It's hot.
85 with the humidity of whatever. Yesterday it was 105, so I imagine it's probably that again.
Yeah, look at how sweaty I am.
Yeah, my shirt is
Gross.
just, I wring it out.
Now we gotta go get on the road.
But the car has AC.
Yes.
So maybe we just don't ever get out
We'll just live in there forever.
until we get to the airport.
I don't know. This next hotel that we're going to was free. And it's the fanciest one, I suspect. I don't know for sure, but it looks like the fanciest one. But thank you, Expedia points. How much was parking?
5 cents. As long as you do, or 5,000.
As long as you didn't move it in and out.
Yeah.
Smart. Now we are heading to Candi Dasa with a couple stops in between. One is the Liberty wreck, and then The other is the gates of heaven. Cool. Jenny, there was so much love.
I know, I keep bitching and then no one wants me, and here he is.
He's throwing himself at your feet, and you're just
And
like,
you're like, nah.
You don't have a beard.
Or tattoos.
You don't know if he doesn't have tattoos. Maybe they're just somewhere where you'd have to get to know him a little better.
Actually, I think he had one on his bicep.
There you go. It's meant to be.
Only I could take him home. Maybe
You
I'm
could.
I'm just too scared that I won't be able to keep him.
You could.
If I can't keep him, then I don't want him.
He's your queen. You're his queen.
I'm his queen. He already crowned me. And what's funny is I bet you all his buddies were like,
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
No, all of his buddies don't believe him. So he's over here like, no, I'll get.
Yeah, oh, I know. No, she wants me.
I'll marry her. I'll marry that woman.
Yeah.
I love her. I love her. He probably cried into his pillow last night.
Or jerked into it, whatever.
He cried.
Either way, there was liquid on that pillow.
Oh, this is our view for the drive. Oh, bummer. We're gonna see if we learned anything from our driver from the other day. It's time to fuel up. Hi. Thank you. Have a good day. Well, good. That worked. 4 kilometers and we'll be at the SS Liberty. USS Liberty. A World War II ship, cargo ship that was sunk by the Japanese submarines. It was carrying iron ore and something or other. But apparently it's supposed to have really good coral. So go check that out. Cool off in the water. It'll be fun.
Look all the dust over there. They're doing some construction of some sort.
Maybe they dammed it up.
The dry bag was not dry at all.
When you're snorkeling.
You know, snorkeling, I dunked under a few times to get pictures, and it filled our valuables with water.
Luckily, the key to the car was still good.
Key to the car still worked. My phone still worked. Jenny's is waterlogged.
It's taking a sleepy water now.
And it's overheating, so we are cooling it on the vents. Hoping it'll work. Hoping it'll work.
Cows. We are going to pull off right here, and you're going to get your picture. Like, no, like,
It's still flipping water out.
we need.
Way cooler.
I'm gonna go get pictures of cows for the boys.
Oh.
Time to reapply sunscreen and bug spray before we go up to the gates of heaven. You have to park down here at the bottom, and then from what it looks like, they take you up on buses, which sure beats the hike because it's supposed to be like 1,000 meters up, which I'm not doing. So no Heaven's Gates for us because it was gonna be like 25 bucks to,
And then a 2-hour.
well, yeah, it was gonna be 25 bucks to ride the bus and then get in, but they do provide a sarong if you don't have one. But then to get a look at the actual gates or get a picture with it was like another 2 hours. Jenny's watch has died today. Her phone went kaput.
The last thing I have is my vibrator. And if that doesn't work, I don't know what I'll do. I guess I could always call Dawn. No, I can't.
Log into something and get a hold of Wet Rat.
Roy will find a way. He will make true love happen. This one's us. Wow, look at that.
Oh,
Ah, cool. All right. Sweet. Super cute. It's beautiful. And then Jana's just next door. Hey, neighbor.
Yeah.
He's hired. You can have him. Yeah.
So cute.
This hotel has everything. And you can open up your door. I can wake Jen up in the morning.
Gosh, oh my God.
Is that a no?
I mean, you can, but it'll freak me out.
You don't have an alarm clock anymore, girl.
I know.
I'm your alarm clock now. I am your god.
I am
lost.
I am a Stone Age person. I have retreated back to my...
Luddite. Wow.
My favorite part is that we're
It's so pretty.
This is way better just on the last day.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. This is a life.
How do we get down there?
This is a
Do you just jump? It's calling me. I love it. I love it. Woo.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing? It's so beautiful. Let me take a picture of it with even camera.
What movie does that remind me of?
Dazzle.
Yeah.
Oh!
See, that's what I wanted. It's beautiful.
It looks like a pineapple whip.
Oh, wait.
Mine tastes like homemade hooch.
May I try my
Is
sample
that
again?
forest fire? An undertaste?
Undertones of brick?
Great. So on this trip, we had some casualties. We busted up Eva's knees. I broke a table.
All three of my toes have been fucked up.
Jenny smashed every single toe on her body more than once. Her phone got drowned. Her watch got salted out from the ocean.
Yeah.
Maybe you shouldn't use my camera.
Or phone.
Or
I'm just kidding. I fucked up Jenny's phone.
It said,
Stupid
the
dry
water,
bag.
The dry bag.
What about you? Have you done anything on this trip? Did you even come? Roy's the only
anomaly again.
Fucking hell. Oh yeah, and both of their feet are messed up from the sandals.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Roy has a baby scratch.
I do.
Meanwhile, my knees are just all scabbed. That
And
first
you got
night,
all the
I went down. Oh, and the jellyfishies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we all
I
got the
felt them all,
jellyfishies
but
today.
I don't have any whelps or anything.
That's good.
He's coming in hot.
After a couple drinks at the hotel bar,
Very good.
we're going to go see the lily pads of some sort.
There.
Wow.
Jenny, I'm much better at this. Get you.
Well, look at the bird. He just landed.
You said they open up in the morning?
Morning and night. Like, you can see they're starting to open over here.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this sand.
rashy, head to toe.
Going to be?
I have sand on my feet. I have sand on my thighs. Sand everywhere.
I've been making a pearl.
Including my vagine.
And I've already got a rash all over my body. You know, you always hear about them talking about Bali belly. No, I got Bali body, which is not the good kind.
That one's kind of open.
Can you hear the frogs?
Oh, yeah. He maybe didn't close from the other branch.
I think Google lied to you. Walk this way.